backwaterflyfishing.com.
What are we tying today?
Crab flies.
Crab flies for redfish, right?
Awesome.
Alright guys, today we're doing a crab fly. Nothing super special about this fly, but it's crab season, it's winter time. You're gonna have a lot of redfish eating crustaceans, and this is just a high profile crab fly, kind of generic construction. But if you're new to fly tying, this is a great way to build crab flies that are gonna get crushed, specifically by redfish and drum. So let's check it out. Guys, if you're enjoying this video and you're new to the channel, please go and smash that subscribe button. We do a bunch of fly tying content here on the channel, as well as fishing videos, so I know it's all stuff you guys are gonna dig. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks a lot. Tight line. Alright guys, so there you go. Super simple crab fly. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Also, don't forget, check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/backwaterflyfishing. We have a bunch of content that's there just for our Patreon members, and it really helps keep content flowing on the YouTube channel. Also gives you the chance to win flies, prizes, things like that. So go check that out, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.